So we just got done installing a tail tidy kit on the Grom, flush mounts in the front. So now we're missing the integrated tail light from TST that we're going to be installing. This is the clear one, not the smoke. I decided to go with the clear, you know, just because I don't want that black look in the back. I already got it on the CBR, so let's go different with the Grom. So I already got the seat out. I believe all we got to do is just remove these two right here, 10 millimeters. Unplug this white wire that's back here. Then that comes off. Then we can put this one in. But I think there's more to it, so let's get into it. So let's get started by unplugging this right here. This should come out pretty easy. I think so. So this has to come up. There you go. But now there's an issue here. There is an issue. There's a push clip right there. So to get that out, we're gonna have to take this out, the tail tidy, because it's under the cover, so we can get this clip out. I'll show you guys right now what clip I'm talking about. The clip is right in there. That little clip that we gotta squeeze from the bottom to be able to pull it out. I could just yank it out and break it, but let's do it the right way. This is pretty simple. All you gotta do is just an Allen bolt right here. Get this nut on top. I should have done the tail light first. That way I didn't have to deal with it, but this is what happens when you make separate videos. So this is gonna be different because, you know, I got this mod on, so it's less work. If not, you guys would have had to remove the big tail from back there. So right here is the clip I was talking about. We just gotta squish this, push it in, and then, as you guys see, now it's free. And I can wiggle it. You see, right there. I just gotta remove these two 10s, and I believe this whole tail comes out. So now, it still don't come out? What else is holding it on? No, it's coming out. Just gotta finagle it out. Let's go. Push that down there. There you go. Out with the old, we're going in with the new. You gotta push it in. There you go. There you go. Let's get the hardware that comes with it. Two screws, Phillips screws that go right in there to hold this little beautiful tail in place. Now we're gonna grab this one. This came with the kit, with the tail light. So we're just gonna push this. Uh-oh. How does this go this way? Why is it so hard? That's what she said. There you go. So now this, since we removed the fender eliminator, we don't have it. But if you guys still have it, then you're gonna have to plug this one in. You know, run it over here through this side. Connect this black one to this one right here for the turn signals. just like this. And then this one, you're gonna have to run it through down here. Push this over here. Let me fix this right here. There we go. Make that look very nice. So this is going to this side. Just like that. But anyways, we can leave that like that for now. Let's put the Tailight back on and then we'll continue up here. Now let's see if it's working before I put the seat back on. I got everything connected. Where did I put the key? Right here. Let's see. Did it turn on? It's on. Turn signals. Not working. Oh. So the relay for the front doesn't work for the back? Because I had that issue with the front and I just changed the relay. But I thought the relay would work on both of them. But I guess not. I don't know. At least the brake works. So I don't know. I gotta check if I need to order a different relay. That sucks.